Okay, this is a 1956 Nomad, and this is a real Nomad, and actually freaking, sometimes I was before labeling cars that were two-door station wagons that didn't have the upgrades and the windows in the back as Nomads. This actually is a Nomad. It's 56. Looks like it's loaded up to the hill. It's got the white or silver. I don't know what color you can call that. It's not exactly white. It's off-white beige, kind of like the same as this, the beige here. But it's loaded to the max. It's got air conditioning, auto headlamp, seat belt. Whoa, seat belts. Block wiring junction. I don't know what that is. Maybe a heat. I don't know what that is. Blocking gas cap, compass, accelerator cover. I guess that's for your wheel, your gas pedal. Wire wheel covers. Okay, that's hubcaps, I guess. Auto tissue dispenser, license plate frame, fender guards. That's what it says anyway. Guard, fender and grill. Oh, that. Not fender guards. That chrome piece, I guess. Guard, rear. Backup lamps. Oh, see, backup lamps were an option back then. Courtesy lights were an option. $2.75. Underhood lamp, $1.95. Rubber mats. Remote mirrors. Vanity mirror. It's got your signal seeker radio. Under $5. That's an expensive option. Air conditioning, $430. That was an expensive option, man. This car was not cheap, man. God, $3,600. What is that? 36 or 3,800. Or 3,600, I think. It's got the power glide, 4-ply tires. It's got an oil filter. That was an option. The heaters, defroster deluxe is an option. Wow. So a lot of things back then were options, man. So. Anyway, you can see your exhaust coming out both sides. Dual exhaust. Yeah, it is a Nomad. It's got the V8. It's probably the 283, I assume. 283 or 265. Probably 283. Wide white walls. Okay, true Nomad. There we go. You got your handle on the back of the tailgate. Big old sliding window in the back there. It's a beauty, man. And you notice all the ribs on the roof too. I mean, they wouldn't even do that kind of crap today. They'd be saying, why do that? It costs more money and stuff. Got my umbrella, it's getting in the way there. Beautiful car. Loaded up to the hilt.